In this training tutorial, we'll work with several versions of one model. During history matching process, we'll change relative permeabilities and create multiple model versions. Run calculations in Model Q and compare results on graphs in one window. I open the model in tNavigator and run calculations. Let's check quality of history match. Go to Graphs, Totals, and select Filled Oil, Water, Liquid Production Total Calculated and Historical. Via dotted lines, we can see history. See the liquid total production is matched, but we produce more oil than historical value and less water. Let's try to change phase relative permeabilities and capillary pressure to improve match. I create two copies of my model's .data file, variant 2 and 3. Now variants 2 and 3 are absolutely the same with the base case. I open second case in tNavigator. Go to Properties tab and hold Shift button to move point of relative permeability curves. Move points to produce less oil and more water to match history. Close this variant. New Relative Permeabilities table is saved automatically in User folder near the model data file, so your initial rel-perms stay without modification. tNavigator reads for difficult rel-perm for User folder. If you don't like the new curves, you can just edit or delete this file. Now, let's do the same for the third model variant. Open the model, change Relative Permeability table holding Shift and close it. See two files in User folder with rel-perms table for model variants. Then, let's calculate variant 2 and 3 in the Model Q. In tNavigator main window, use File, New Q, give the name to your Q and save it. Press green plus to submit jobs to Q. And see the status, calculations in percents. Use this queue to submit jobs in the evening and get results in the morning. And when calculations are finished, we can load the results to base case to compare. In the window with our base case press document, load results, load tNavigator graphs, and select variant 2 and 3. Now on Graphs Totals, we can see results of 3 calculations, and historical graphs as a dotted line. We see that variant 2 has quite a good match for oil and water production. And we can continue to change rel-perms to match it perfectly. Switching between wells, we can analyze graphs for them. This workflow can be used as well to compare different model forecasts, create different field document scenarios, calculate them in Model Q, and load results to one case to compare graphs in one window. Enjoy working with tNavigator and see other training tutorials for more details. Thank you for your attention.